on MasterChef.
What is it?
A huge challenge
You're going to be cooking in pairs.
that could mean double trouble.
Bring us a pair of identical dishes.
It's the most sought-after list in the world. Names of the most dangerous global killers are on it. And the world's most wanted criminal is the only one who has it.
Let's call it the blacklist. That sounds exciting.
You need to find that bomb now.
They were trained for this very day.
We're running out of time.
Their biggest threat, their last stand. Westworld, a show so complicated that you might as well learn rocket science. Robert Ford is a creepy old man who made a fantasy park that has human-like robots serving inhuman-like humans. Enjoy the sights, soak in the sounds, and lose yourself. This holiday must not end because the way out must not exist. Weirwood Pines starts 22nd February.
I want to find out what you think. Who should host the Emmys?
You?
Why do you say that?
You're famous.
And what about how handsome I am?
Jimmy Kimmel hosts the Emmys on September 19th, live at 4:30 a.m. and repeat at 8 p.m. on India's largest English entertainment network.